Hello guys, and welcome to my first ever FIFA Ultimate Team video, and on this channel as well. Today I'm going to be opening some packs. As you can hear, I'm not American or from England. I'm actually from Sweden, so I have a little bit of a different accent than an American or an English person do. So if you don't like my accent, then just don't watch my videos. So today we're going to open some packs because Team of the Season Bundesliga has come out, and I just want to try out and test my new gear and so yeah, let's get into these packs. I think you can buy 10 of them, and I'm just going to open 10 of them. I think, yeah, 15 there and 15 there. Okay, so let's start off this. Hopefully we can get someone good. I really hope we can get like Royce or Lewandowski or yeah. Well, this didn't start so good. Do we get anything? Okay, so we actually got Balotelli, and I do actually have a PS4 and an Xbox, but I need to buy like a cable to splitting the device for the HDMI cables. So that's why I'm not playing on the PS4 yet, but I think we will be able to like play with them. Okay. Fasen. Jäklar. Okay, so I won't get that much money back, so I'm just going to quick sell them. I cannot like take away from the trading list. Is it called that like that? Yeah, it is. So I'm just going to take away some of these cards that's like warnings. I'm just going to take away this quick. I tried to do some trading, but it went to hell, so I stopped trading. I'm really bad at that, so yeah, I'm not going to do any like trading videos or so. You can see I tried to buy some coins, but it didn't work. Can we open some packs now? Yeah, I hope so. Let's open some more packs. So yeah, as you can see, on my PS4 it's actually in English, so you will be able to understand what it says on that one, but you might not be able to like tell what it says on this. Okay, so we didn't get a shit in this pack either. Oh, Jesus Christ. I never, almost never get a good player in the pack. But you should never say never. Pizarro. Couldn't that be Mandzukic? Then I would have been happy. And he was like in from 4 or 5 minutes ago. So yeah, that sucks. Please, give me just one good Team of the Season player. These packs are shit. Okay, so we got Shirley with a chemistry style. Let's sell him. He will go for a little bit. And then we'll just store the rest in the club. So I feel it. We're going to get one Team of the Season at least. I'm not quitting until we get one Team of the Season. It's so annoying when we don't get any good players. Well, this is shit, so I'm just going to quick sell it all. I actually made like a video earlier today where I just told a little bit about myself, but I choose to not like put it up on the channel. Yeah. Well, this shit again. Can't just get like, if I will get Royce, I will be so fucking happy. Or so happy. Well, now we don't even get like a rare. Get like the most shit center backs in Premier League. I actually pulled like TOTS and Baines last week, but I opened packs for like 700k or so it wasn't worth it, I think. Clichy, you can sell him. I think he will go for a little bit and some coins. Yeah. So I'm going to do like pink slips and so. So if you watch the video, then just contact me because I do not have like any subscribers yet. So if you like want to play me for pink slips, it won't be like the most big pink slips in the world, but I think it will be enough. It will be like 40 or 50k worth of players in the start, and then I will just put up more and more money, and then hopefully I can. Oh my god, this pack is trash, 100% trash. Yeah, it is. So yeah, but was that the last one of them? Are you fucking kidding me? Did we get 10 of them? Really? Well, let's open some of these 750k packs. We did not get a single team of season, which is... Oh my god, he was like informed... No, he wasn't. It was another guy. I hate this. We're probably not going... I will open until I have like 150 coins, 150k left. Ryan Giggs. Shit players. One more. Okay. So I feel it. Now we're going to get someone good. Well, I was terribly wrong. Yeah. Well. Oh, I so badly want to play. Oh, sorry for that. It's just my friends who's calling it Skype. So sorry for that, guys. If you hear that. Well, we got another shit player, and we got that ugly fucking face again. Vossen from Belgium. Ugly fucking face, ugly. Yeah, this is one of my final packs. Okay, so now well, fuck, we didn't get anything. Okay, so now guys, I think maybe I can find like, let's watch like the Timo season. Sorry, my stalker friend. Okay, so I just want to see what the players are like. Okay, the bench is 100% shit. I don't want a single one of these shit players. He was Timo season like the first one. Is this Leno? Okay. Oh, so Lam is actually center defensive mid. For fuck's sake. Don't call me every single number I have. Coming on my mobile, he calls on my home. And also, how did they make this team? Okay, so wait, okay, so let's find a player for like 50k, and that player I will ping slip away for you. So like We do 40 to 50k. I think is a good. So 40k. So there. Yeah. Like that. Okay. So let's see if we find some players for that price. I think Royce. We can actually pick not a single player. The EE server is so fucking bad. So okay. Let's do Teammates is a Mertesacker. That's a good player, I think. Yeah, so I'm just going to buy him now so you can see. So if you want to win, Teammates is an I'm so fucking stupid. Okay, so if you want to win Teammates is a Mertesacker, then just comment the first one that comments down below. If you want to win, or you'll be able to try and win this. Not the uniform one. Well, yeah, and this is on PS3, so I will actually start to play Xbox soon, so I can like buy some cheaper coins because it's so fucking expensive. On here we have him, 32, and how long? 1 minute. Yeah, we can wait that. I think. Let's bid. He's not worth like anything. Wonder how much he's worth. I'll just wait for a second and then I will bid. Okay, so now it's 1 minute left. I don't know what to say. It's actually a pretty good card. Look at his defense and his heading. They're good. Oh my god. I just want this card and I will pink flip it out for you. And I will not scam you, I swear. I'll not like pick someone I know if they comment okay. But I don't know if my friends do know I have a YouTube channel even. Some of my friends might know, but I want this card. Hopefully I can win this now. Please don't bid again. Fucking asshole. I'll just bid like that. So okay, we won't go high like that. Okay, here we have. This is the last bid I will make. Yeah, that one sold. Oh, fuck face. And of course they bought that one for like that one for like 37. Sorry for that in the background, it's my parents and my brothers shouting at each other. Okay, so can we find one card with this by now price, or was that like the best deal? Okay, hope we might get it a little bit cheaper. Okay, so that was too cheap, obviously. $37k, okay. Let's see, I will want it with the chemistry style. Do they have one with the chemistry? No, they don't. Okay, so I will just buy this one. So guys, if you want to win this Mertesacker, then just comment down below and tell me your YouTube username, and I will happily like play you. So I will see you guys in the next. Yeah, I think I will upload a video tomorrow if one do actually want to ping slip me. So yeah.